see in that line, you say, JP sent me an image of private parts. You see that?
Apha ke kwiphepha u9 uchazile apha uthi uJP undithumelele umfanekiso wendawo zangasese. Uyayibona le ndawo?
Ewe.
Yes.
In this one, you are more specific. You say it's his. I'm getting here because I think there was a pushback about that from you.
Kulena ke ungqale ngqo uthi ngumfanekiso weyakhe indawo yangasese. Kule yesibini.
Ewe.
Yes.
You have also said that it was a picture.
Uchilo kwakhona wathi ngumfanekiso.
Ewe.
Yes.
Do you know his penis?
Uyayazi ipipi yakhe wena?
Andiyazi.
No, I don't.
Well, ma'am, let's read that sentence again so you tell me what's wrong with it in relation to the other one.
Masifunde ke le line kwakhona kaye lo mgca. Uzondixelela ba yintoni le irongo ngayo xa sithelekisa nenye le.
His akekho kwenye kulena ukhona.
It's the his word. The his is not reflected on the other one or the above one.
I'm asking again, I assume you do not know his penis.
Ndiyaphinda ndiyabuza, ndiyazicingela ukuba wena uyazi ipipi yakhe.
Ewe.
Yes.
In fact, it is my client's version that you don't.
Phofu ke utsho naye ukusithethelela kwakhe uthi awuyazi wena.
Ewe.
Yes.
Do you want to explain without me asking what's inaccurate with this line?
Ufuna ukuyicacisa ngaphandle kokuba ndibe ndiyenda kubuza mna uba yintoni le ibangela into obana lento ibe neziginqi okanye ingabi yonto ecacileyo.
I don't understand the question, Mr. Kakan. And I mean, I don't understand it.
Ma'am, you, in the other line, you speak in generalities.
Komnye umgca phaya uyithetha phansi kwemeko kawonke wonke.
He sent you a picture of private parts.
Ukuthumelele umfanekiso wamalungu wangasese.
And here you identify that the picture you get, it's his.
Wenye
That's the
uthi
difference.
lo mfanekiso ufumeneyo ngumfanekiso weyakhe. Umahluko ke ngoku ulapho.
Ewe.
Yes.
So, Chair, because I'm answering your question as to what I'm asking, is because the other one is general. You have to know what you are being sent to give specificities rather than the other. In the other, he says,
Sorry. I think I understand that, the distinction between the two. And I appreciate that in paragraph 17, she's saying his. And you went further and asked her whether she knew his penis. She said no. Yes. So I then thought you were asking her to describe his penis. No.
well, I'm assuming, Chair, she can't. And because
That's why I was puzzled a bit. I misunderstood your question because I was going to say, how can you ask somebody to describe something she doesn't know? That's how I understood your question. So apparently I misunderstood the question, which was why I said, I wasn't sure. I said, I don't understand the question.
Yes, I'm saying there have been many inaccuracies in this sworn statement. I'm saying there is something dramatic everywhere, and now we find her saying, unlike in the above line where it was just a picture of private parts, she now specifically says it's his. You've got to know it to see that this picture is his. And that's the difference between the two statements. I said this earlier, but there was no understanding of what I was referring to. That there is somewhere in your testimony where you specifically say his. And the question I'm putting to you, ma'am, is that you've got to have seen it, known it, to identify the picture of a penis that it's his, not that it's just a picture of a penis.
apho ndiza khona ke kuba ndiye ndayiveza iyantlukwana kwinto ithethe ngasentla apho uye wathetha ngowonke-wonke ngamalungu angasese ngoba ngoku lo mgca singawo uthetha ngento koba yeyakhe le pipi le othetha ngayo apha ndilandule ke ngelithi ubufanele uba uyibonile le pipi yakhe uyayazi le pipi yakhe khona ukuze ukwazi ukuthetha ngohlobo kulo mgca uba uqiniseke ukuba uthi yeyakhe okanye lo mfanekiso uthunyelelweyo ngumfanekiso wepipi yakhe.
Siyavumelana kwindawo ethi njengokuba naye sitsho andiyazi azange ndayibona kodwa kwistatement yam ndithe his asoze athumele ipipi yomnye umntu uzawube uyithatha phi.
I think we are in agreement with the part where it states that I do not know his penis. I've never seen it. I don't know it. However, if he had sent me a picture of his penis, as I've stated, where would he then would have gotten a picture of a penis of somebody else if it was not his?